In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add template tags in Close CRM. Whether you're creating an efficient email template or drafting a quick message to a lead, understanding how to leverage template tags can save you a lot of time and personalize your communications effortlessly. So let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. To start, you'll need to open up an editor in Close CRM. You can do this by navigating to the Settings section and then heading over to Templates and Snippets. Once there, click on either Email Templates or Snippets, depending on what you're working on. If you prefer, you can also open a new email draft directly from a lead page. This gives you the flexibility to customize messages on the fly. Once your editor is open, you'll want to position your cursor in the body of the email where you'd like to insert the tag. To bring up the menu of available template tags, simply type the / key on your keyboard. This is the key that looks like a simple slash, and it's typically found near the question mark key. Typing this activates a handy menu of options for you. Now, with the menu open, you're presented with a variety of options. Look for the template tags section in this list. It's typically easy to spot. What's wonderful about this feature is how it caters to your specific needs. If you know exactly what you're looking for, you can type the name of the field you want. Common fields include terms like lead, first, or company. Typing these keywords will filter the list down significantly, making your desired tag easier to find. If you're not sure what you need, or if you want to explore your options, you can simply scroll through the entire list. This browsing method can be particularly helpful if you're looking for inspiration or learning what fields are available. Once you've identified the tag you wish to use, such as contact name, go ahead and click on it. Upon selection, Close CRM will automatically insert the corresponding liquid tag into your text. So, for a contact name, it might appear as shecontact.name in your email draft. These liquid tags act as placeholders that will dynamically populate with actual data when emails are sent, ensuring your communication is both personalized and accurate without any extra effort on your part. This method not only saves time, but also ensures that your emails are consistently formatted and professionally crafted. By adopting these easy steps, you'll be able to streamline your communication process within Close CRM and provide a personalized experience for each recipient. Keep practicing this method, and you'll soon master the art of template tags in no time. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy emailing.